Hi friends, I'm showing you this wireless headphones. These are the noise cancelling wireless headphone, comes in a really nice gift pack. As you can see the packing itself. So this one is a wireless like Bluetooth 5.0 with a less lag time, and you can see the packing, so it's very good to give as a gift. So the manual is comes with the case and the headphone. So you can see like the it's a premium gift packing, so it's really nice to give it as a gift. And this is a foldable and the portable speakers that you can easily open and just turn it like this way. And this have this marking that is pretty nice, like this marking you can set it at the same height from both side. The cushions and the grip is very comfortable, flexible, and you can see it all with these different things. So this is the case, a really like waterproof case with some accessories. Now you can see this is like say the aux cable for the PC. This one is your additional like the mic, that you can also add a mic with this headphones. So the cushion, as I mentioned, is really nice, and these are the buttons. So this is actually for the mic, so you can see like this small one, and then you can add in the mic with your speaker, so if you want to have a call or gaming or anything. So this mic is really handful, and you can put the aux cable into your PC. This is the charging, so USB-C charging. There is a charging port. So you can just add this charging and put it in the USB for charging. So it's pretty handy and I feel it really nice as the case itself. So for the case you can just pack it up, just close it, and that's it. It's very handy and nice. Now for the sound quality, I use this like I on this and I am attaching this to my Bluetooth mobile, so that I can show you its attachment. It's pretty straightforward and single-handed thing. I just use this, it easily recognizable, attached to my mobile, and it's connected. So I use some music just to put in, and it's comfortable, and sound quality is really nice. With the noise cancellation, it covers my whole ear, and I don't see any issue with its working and things. So it's comfortable and really nice to have.